Having a YouTube channel without showing your face takes away the pressure of being seen. Here are 30 YouTube video ideas you can do without showing your face. Number 1. Travel diary. Number 2. College campus tour. Number 3. Study with me. Number 4. YouTube video ideas. Number 5. How I film or edit my videos. Number 6. How much I spend in a week. Number 7. Halloween costume ideas. Number 8. Gift ideas. Number 9. Paint with me. Number 10. How to make money. Number 11. Book recommendations. Number 12. Clothing haul. Number 13. Movie recommendations. Number 14. Music recommendations or playlists when you're feeling sad, happy, etc. Number 15. Instrument tutorial. Number 16. My unpopular opinions. Number 17. Walk with me. Number 18. ASMR. Number 19. Episode reviews. Number 20. Product reviews. Number 21. Outfit ideas. Number 22. Tech reviews. Number 23. My 2025. Number 24. Room tour. Number 25. House or apartment tour. Number 26. Explaining the ending of. Number 27. Craft tutorials. Number 28. What it's like working at. Number 29. Story time. Number 30. Bullet journaling. Also watch this video next about YouTube faceless channel ideas. And if you enjoyed this comment, do subscribe and comment with the word goals, because let's have the goals to succeed on YouTube in 2025. Have a beautiful week.